Welcome, my dear student. I am GT Sir, subject teacher of English, and today we are going to discuss about the chapter subject and predicate. Before starting this video, we revised about the sentence, and previous class you have already read the sentence. A sentence is a group of words that make a complete sense, and you can see here in the sentence he goes to school. Okay. In previous class you read about the type of sentence. It means kind of sentence. And in this video you will read about the parts of sentence. It means here is a sentence and we can divide the sentence into different parts. Okay. Look here. How many parts of the sentence? Sentence has two parts. Okay. First is subject and second is predicate. Okay. And this subject also divided into different parts like noun parts and second is pronoun parts. Okay. And you can also use many parts of the subject and such a type of the classify of the predicate. Okay. Now we come on to the point. He goes to school. He goes to school. This is a sentence and we can divide it or separate it into two parts. First is a subject and second is a predicate. Definition of subject: the part of the sentence which tell us who or what the sentence is about is called subject. It means in a sentence when tells us who, when one that tell us who or what is known as the subject. Okay. And predicate means the rest of the part. It means leave the subject and rest of the part is known as predicate. Rest of the part of the sentence is called predicate, and it tell us something about the subject, and it also say that something about the subject. It means these predicate words tell us something about the subject. Okay. So it is subject and predicate, and how can we identify of the subject and predicate in the different kind of the sentences? Okay. Look here. He goes to school. It is assertive sentence or declarative sentence. In the assertive sentence, we can find out the subject in the beginning of the sentence. It will be noun or pronoun or with the adjective, articles and other words. Okay. Look here. He goes to school. In this sentence, he word is a subject that start with the beginning of the sentence. It will be greater of the subject, like a little boy goes to school. Look here. In this sentence, you can look out the word a little boy. All three words make a subject, and rest of the word will be predicate. Okay. Next is interrogative sentence. How can we classify in interrogative sentence of the subject? Look here. Is Radha writing? Is Radha writing a letter? Here is a interrogative sentence. And how can we search out the subject in this sentence? Look, after the helping verb, we can see a noun word, and that this noun word is known as subject. These noun words is subject word. Okay. In imperative sentence, look here. Sit down. This is a imperative sentence. And where is subject of this sentence? You know very well that when we commanded someone, then the person that standing before us, he always became second person. Okay, and second person word always be you. Okay, in the imperative sentence you will be subject of the sentence, and this is the imperative sentence. In interrogative sentence you can find the noun or pronoun word, and imperative sentence you can write down the second person for the imperative sentence. And last is exclamatory sentence. How can we classify or divide or separate the subject in exclamatory sentence? Look here. What a beautiful wren is. We can say that this sentence is exclamatory sentence. Okay, and where is the subject in this sentence? Then you can see the noun word is end of the sentence. The noun word end of the sentence, and with the noun words also use adjective word and article words. Okay, so all these words will be subject in exclamatory sentence. Clear? And rest of the word will be predicate. So we have completed this chapter, subject and predicate, and I hope you all has understand this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.